Pampa. Yo, my dog's crazy. Roxy, come here. She's hiding.
Did she drink out of this thing?
Yeah. She can. She can reach.
No, did she?
Oh, no, she didn't.
Oh.
Good girl, Roxy. Oh!
You want me to help you?
Save me.
Good girl.
Roxy, you're not so tough anymore. And Pampa, you're not such a baby anymore. Finally, Pampa.
Nice.
Come on, guys.
Girl.
Go. Go, go, go. Hi, Roxy. Hi.
Watch out, guys. I'm opening the freezer.
Pampa. Pampa. Hi, Pampa. You're so cute. Oh. Pampa, you finally have a new friend.
Yay, a new friend there.
Pampa. I want to film them when they were playing before.
Crazy animals. Okay, so that is for Dane later.
Quesadillas. Who's coming over for dinner?
Angela. See, like, you eat bread out for days and it gets bad. It's mad I throw it out because it's missing. Hi, Pampa! Oh, hi, Roxy. Hi, girls. Good girls. Yes.
She's so big, my dog.